All right, let's talk about a huge decision for any business, the forklift. I mean, think about it. After the people you hire, this piece of equipment is probably one of the biggest checks you're ever going to write. So yeah, getting this right, absolutely critical. So, what's the move? Do you go all in and buy something brand new, shiny off the factory floor? Do you hunt for a deal on a used one, or is hiring the smarter play? That's the big question we're tackling today, because honestly, your answer is going to have a massive impact on your bottom line. Okay, here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll make the case for hiring. Then, we'll dig into the real value of buying a used machine. After that, we'll look at the power of buying new. And then, this is the good part. We'll put them head to head with some actual numbers. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with a simple guide to help you figure out which path is the one for you. All right, first up, hiring. You might also call it renting. This is really the go-to option for any business that needs to be quick on its feet, where flexibility is the name of the game. You know, the main draw here is pretty simple. You get the forklift you need without having to drop a huge pile of cash up front. This is a lifesaver for managing your cash flow, especially if you're just getting started or, your busy season is all over the place. And the benefits are pretty tempting, right? I mean, you've got way lower upfront costs. Maintenance and repairs, usually included, so no surprise bills. You get access to the latest tech without buying it. And the best part? You can scale up for that crazy holiday rush and then send the forklift back when things quiet down. No paying to store a machine that's just sitting there. It's even a fantastic way to try before you buy. But, of course, there's always a flip side. Over the long haul, hiring is almost always going to cost you more than buying. You're not building any equity. At the end of the day, it's not your asset. Plus, you can't really customize it, and if it breaks down, well, you're kind of at the mercy of the rental company and how fast they decide to show up. Okay, so that's hiring. Now let's look at option number 2, buying used. This is what I'd call the budget-conscious middle ground. It's for anyone who wants to own the machine but doesn't want to pay that brand new top dollar price. And here's the real magic of buying used. You get an asset on your company's books. It's something you actually own that has real value. And you get it for a fraction of what a new one would cost. That is a seriously powerful combo. I mean, the savings here can be huge. We're talking up to 50% less than a new model sometimes. And think about this. It's already taken that big initial depreciation hit, so its value drops way slower from the moment you own it. Oh, and another big plus? There's no waiting. Unlike new machines that can have long lead times, a used forklift is usually ready to go right now. The big but here, the risk you take on, is reliability. You just don't know its history. You could be inheriting someone else's headache. You'll probably have a limited warranty if you get one at all. The tech is going to be older, and your maintenance bills could definitely be higher down the road. You're also stuck with whatever happens to be for sale at that exact moment. And that leads us perfectly into our third and final option, buying a brand new forklift. This is the premium play. It's a strategic, long-term investment in pure performance and reliability. Look, when you buy new, what you're really buying is certainty. You get a machine that is guaranteed to perform at its best, built exactly how you want it, and loaded with all the latest safety and efficiency features. This is what that higher price tag gets you. Peace of mind. Seriously. Maximum uptime so your business keeps running. A full manufacturer's warranty, which means no shocking repair bills. You can even get tax advantages from the depreciation. For any business where that forklift is the heart of the operation, that kind of reliability isn't just nice, it's everything. So what's the catch? Well, it's the price tag, of course. This is the most expensive way to go, hands down. And just like driving a new car off the lot, it loses a big chunk of its value the second you start using it. You'll probably be looking at higher insurance premiums, too. Okay, so we've laid out all the pros and cons. Now, let's get real and put some numbers to this. We're going to compare these choices head to head, and we're going to focus on one really important idea: depreciation. So what is depreciation? It's just a fancy word for how much value your machine loses over time from wear and tear. And for a forklift, that number is pretty steep. We're talking 15 to 25% a year. And trust me, understanding this is the key to seeing the real cost of owning one. Okay, let's use a simple example. Say you buy a new forklift for 10,000 pounds. At a 25% depreciation rate, that first year hit is a big one. It loses 2.5 grand right off the bat. You fast forward 4 years, and the total value it has lost is over £6,800. That works out to a real cost to your business of about £1,708 every single year. Now, let's run the exact same math on a used one that you snagged for £5,000. Over 4 years, the total value lost is just over $3,400. So what does that mean? It means your annual cost of ownership drops to just £854. That is less than half the cost of the new machine. The difference is huge. But you do have to remember to budget for potentially higher repair costs. So here it is, the final showdown, all laid out. It really boils down to this simple trade-off. What are you willing to pay up front versus what you'll pay over the long run? Hiring is easy to get into, but it's the most expensive over time. Buying new is the exact opposite. And buying used, well, that's you trying to find that sweet spot right in the middle. Okay, so we've covered the what. Now it's time for the so what. Let's shift gears from just explaining the options to giving you a clear-cut framework to help you decide which path is the right one for your business. Let's make this super simple. The best choice really just depends on your situation. If you're a startup or your business has crazy seasonal swings, hiring is your best friend. It gives you that flexibility you need. Now, if you're a lighter user, we're talking less than, say, 15 hours a week, or if you're just on a really tight budget, buying a good used forklift is a super smart, cost-effective move. But if you're running a high-volume warehouse where any downtime costs you serious money, then investing in a new machine isn't an expense, it's a strategic move. So there you have it. You've got the options, you've got the framework. This isn't just about buying a piece of metal. It's a strategic decision about your money, your time, and your risk. The only question left for you to answer is, which strategy is going to drive your business forward?